good morning, this is Alden Bynum, and we at my website namesake, Orleans and Claiborne, and at Orleans and Claiborne, this is where Black Mardi Gras happens. This is where all the magic happens. Downtown, Mardi Gras Day. This is the street that Zulu rolls on toward the end of the parade, in the street that they come down somewhere in the middle of the route change. But this is where you see all of this is going to be people everywhere. Mardi Gras Day. I'm going to put some stuff, or if you go through my videos, you'll see stuff from Mardi Gras Day. This the phone stand right here I was standing on last year, right? One year I stood on this garbage can. You'll have eateries, you'll have all type of stuff. You can check, and it'll be probably over small number. It's gonna be people all down here, all over here, all back that way, all back this way. I'm just being conservative on the number I'm gonna give, and it's 50,000 people. But if you check last year, this is where I was at, talking to people coming woo-de-woo. I was right up here on top of this phone. But this year, you know, we want to go live, but we can't go live. Shout out, I need live view. I would love live view to get through all of the internet traffic that's gonna be going on and stuff like that. But this is where it's gonna happen. This is where I'm gonna be, and I think I'm gonna build me something to kind of sit up on. Even if we don't go live, we're gonna get that content, that Mardi Gras Day footage. You dig? So hit up my website, www.orleansandclaiborne.com. This is where it's going to happen. Oh, February 25th. Zulu coming down, the big shot, the witch doctor, the Zulu king, the governor, the Maasai crew, and my personal favorites, the Tramps. When the Tramps come, woo, get ready. Also, I'll be taking pictures and everything of things like that. I don't know if I'm gonna use an iPhone or my big camera to record, but yes, you see that building in the back, right there, it's straight ahead. That's where the junkyard dog used to wrestle. We're gonna do something on that. But we're doing a review this weekend on the Baconzilla from rallies. So this been Alden Bynum. I'm gonna post some Mardi Gras, some Mardi Gras stuff on my website. And so this been Alden Bynum. Peace.